an exciting night for the Scouts. We're looking forward to camping out tonight. We have over 1,000 Scouts and Scouters here tonight. We want to thank the Nashville Sounds for their partnership with Boy Scouts here in Middle Tennessee. And the Scouts have been around for over 100 years. And because of you, the volunteers, we've been able to extend this program to all the boys throughout Middle Tennessee. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming?
Scout school, team sports, it teaches you guys discipline. It teaches you guys how to succeed in teamwork, and basically, you can't be a good team if you don't have good guys on that team. Boy Scouts are the same thing, right? Is this charades now? Are we doing charades, Ozzy? Okay, let's see here. Archery? Okay, guys. Growing up, I've always had a dream to play baseball, play professional baseball, to don a big league uniform. One way to do that is to work harder than everybody else. As I got older, I understood what a work ethic is. I swear to you guys, when I was working, when I'd work on getting better things I'm not too good at, I would always think to myself, is my competition, the people I'm playing against, are they working harder than me right now? Because if they are, I lost. I lost that day. I lost. So my work ethic, right? My work ethic, I always think that way. Am I outworking the next person? Am I getting better when that person isn't getting better? That's what's important, okay? That's work ethic, okay?
I know the kids, a lot of them were looking forward to camping out. They've never been able to camp out on a baseball field before. So it's something that's unique to them, something different than their normal camp out activities. I think they're going to like the Bucket Boys a lot. They're really great with kids and keeping them entertained and getting them involved. They loved having the player come out, Jordan Brown. He was really great with them, talked to him about scouting. And I just wanted to make sure that it was a great night for the kids and to have a lot of fun, because scouting is really important to me. I'm an Eagle Scout, so Boy Scouts has always been something important in my life, and I like being able to pass on some memories to these kids as they're growing up.